Hello, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to install Paint.net on your Windows 11 computer. Step 1, download Paint.net. Open your favorite browser and search for Paint.net download. Click the first link from getpaint.net. On the website, scroll down and click on the download section. Choose the free version by clicking download now. Step 2, extract and install Paint.net. After downloading the zip file, go to the download location, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Open the extracted folder and double-click on the Paint.net setup file. Allow the app to make changes by clicking Yes. In the installer, click Continue, select your language, choose Express Installation, accept the license terms, and click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. Congratulations, Paint.net is now installed on your Windows 11 system. You can start editing photos and images easily. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.